So now let's talk about user input. I've discussed how to put output data in our own software. Now let's talk about the user inputs. So let's talk about the user inputs. To input any data into our software, you use the keyword input. Input. Okay. So whatever you put here, let's say enter your name. This is going to be displayed to the user of the software. However, this is not the data that is going to be entered into the software. I'll explain further. So when you use the input command, input, let's say